Are you feeling overwhelmed, battling with so much stress for different reasons? I can totally relate to that, and I want you to know that you're not alone. And so today, I want to introduce you to one of my all-time favorite modalities called emotional freedom techniques, aka tapping, which is a beautiful energy protection modality that you can use to tap on different meridian points in your body and balance your energy to create what it is that you want to feel instead. And the thing that I love so much about it is that you can use it for anything: stress, anxiety, overwhelm, negative or limiting beliefs, whatever it may be. And the better thing is that you have access to this literally at your fingertips. So you can also use it wherever, at home, in your office, at work, at your kid's school, in the car, whatever it is. And so today I'm going to walk you through that process so that we can really balance out and balance out the energy and remove the stress that you feel and create what it is that you want to feel instead. So all you'll need is a focused space where you can just be with me. You'll need your fingers, and then I'll need your attention. So we'll dive in and get started now. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 3 deep breaths. So breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. One more time. Breathing in and breathing out. Wonderful, wonderful job. All right, guys. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to get in touch with the feeling of stress that you have. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I want you to think about, okay, 10 is like, oh my gosh, Dr. Nicole, yeah, I am so stressed beyond belief. And 1 is like, no, I feel pretty good. I want you to rate yourself where you're at on that scale of 1 to 10. Once you got your number, I just want you to keep that in the back of your mind. And then I want you to hone into like where in your body you're feeling stressed and what that stress is bringing up for you. We're going to start right here at the setup point, and you can just repeat after me. I'm feeling so stressed. It feels like my mind is running 1,000,000 miles per moment. And I cannot shake all these thoughts. They're exhausting me. And I feel overwhelmed already. The thing that I hate about stress is I just don't know what to do with it. And it feels like no matter how hard I try, I just can't release it. But I'm over it. I'm tired of being this stressed. I just want to feel calm and at peace for once. I'm just overwhelmed. And I feel the stress all over my body. In my stomach, it feels tight and anxious. My shoulders feel constricted. And my head just hurts. Feeling stressed is exhausting. And I am ready to release this. I deserve to feel differently now. Good job. Now I want you to get in touch with that feeling of stress that you had on a scale of 1 to 10. And I want you to think about where your number is now. If your number still feels really high, you can go ahead and rewind this and continue to keep tapping using the same words that I'm using. Or if there's something else coming for you, trust your body. What's coming up is what your body is trying to communicate to you. And you can use that as you tap as well. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to dive in and we're going to tap on the same meridian points, but we're going to tap in those great feelings that help you to feel super high vibe and ready to take on your day. All right, so we're going to dive in and we'll get started. I choose to feel good. I get to feel good. Stress does not have to take over for me. I can feel different emotions like happiness, joy, ease, peace, and I get to normalize that. My body feels calm, my mind is at ease, and I trust that this emotion is safe. I love the way that I feel. And what I love even more is that I get to take advantage of tools like this that help me feel better. Meaning that I'm ultimately in control of what I want to feel. And so I don't have to make stress be my norm. I get to choose feelings that serve my success. And this immediately makes me feel calm and at ease. And these are feelings that I desire and deserve. So I get to feel this all the time. And that feels great. Wonderful job. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a tool that you can use, that you can come back to and access whenever you need to. And that's you stepping into your own power and using your own strategies, skills, and tools. And I'm so proud of you for joining me today. Now I'm going to ask you to rewind back to that feeling that you felt in the beginning of today's session and ask yourself where you're at on a scale of 1 to 10. And if you're feeling super good, anywhere below a 2, 1, or 0, then you are ready to move forward. If not, feel free to rewind this and come back to this video as much as you need to. You deserve to feel great. And I'm so excited that you joined me, because now you have access to such an amazing tool that allows you to get to that place where you don't have to fight, you don't have to fuss, you don't try to have to force yourself to get there. You just get to feel it. So I invite you to choose feeling at ease and feeling at peace. Stop normalizing stress and access tools that help you to balance your energy with what it is that you desire and deserve. If you want to learn more about how you can use tools just like this, not only for yourself, but also in the work that you do as a coach, I invite you to check out the information below, where I am going to share an amazing behind the scenes training where you're going to learn about my top 5 favorite modalities that have literally transformed my life from the inside out, and that I use with my clients, that has helped me to facilitate transformation with them that lasts longer, goes deeper, and happens so much faster. I'm so excited to be able to introduce you to these things. They are truly next level. Can't wait to see you there.